What is up? Welcome back to another episode. I have been working really hard on getting to work with somebody who has been doing a lot of really good work, and he has been modifying a lot of headlights, taillights, and a bunch of good effects on YouTube. And this is his channel, so if you haven't seen his channel yet, go check it out. It's Next Level Neo, and I'm gonna be putting that in the description. His videos are so good. It explains everything you do or everything you have to do to retrofit one of your units. That being said, I've been working with him on doing some work, and I want to do it as DIY. Therefore, I got a package, so let's unbox it. It's exciting because this is exciting because it's not going to be for the BRZ. This one time is going to be for the STI. So I will be retrofitting my headlights. So let's see what we got, this bad boy, and let's get going. Okay, I feel like I need more space now. Check it out. Some logos. We have what seems to be some... Okay, this is the butyl, or however you want to call it, the thing that you use to seal back your headlights. This is good stuff, thank you. Again, I'm working with him to modify my headlights. It's going to be a DIY style, and I'm super excited because it's going to be a bunch of goodies in it. So let's check out what else we got in here. We got our controller. Whoa, we even have a remote control. You kidding me? That's what's up. I guess this is a plug and play harness. Thankfully, it all just connects. I mean, we'll get into the details on how to in the further video. This video will just be the unboxing, because the unboxing is just to see what I'm going to be installing on my headlights. The follow-up video will be the installation. Actually, I think I might break it down to opening up the unit, cleaning it, then installing it maybe together, and then finally some show modes. So let's continue. What else do we have here? We have some controller, some type of controller. I gotta see what this is. Maybe it's a converter. We have a power converter. No, these are the converters, I think. I gotta double check. But they have an input and an output, I believe. Yeah, input and output. So this must be the converters. We also have, I think these are breathers. These go when you make a hole in it and then you put it in there, so that way the unit or the headlight breathes and there's no condensation inside. That was one of the issues that I had the most of the time with my previous setup on my BRZ. I'm sure you saw the video when I showed you guys that a lot of water went in, so this should avoid that issue. We have a demonized. Ooh, we're going to be doing demonized on the STI. Check it out. Yeah, again, all of this stuff that I'm unboxing right now is available on his website. I will post the link as well for his website. He's doing really good prices for the quality. His quality is like super cool, super good. And also I will be trying to see if I can get like a coupon code for you guys, but obviously his parts are top notch, so just go ahead and check it out. It will be on the description below. Let's continue to do this. We got some connectors. I guess these are the ones that you do when you cut the sea light, then you have to reconnect and reposition. I saw that on one of his videos. Very helpful idea. I kind of want to open the demon eye, but I don't know if I should open the demon eye because I don't know, maybe it'll get dirty or I can damage it. So I'm just gonna show you guys a close-up. This is indeed here. That is the demon eye right there, and that's the one that goes behind the projector for the on the light. And then we got some hex lights, baby. Let's go. We have a hex light for the projector, and check it out. We're gonna put some hex light. I don't know if I'm gonna do it like this or this. I gotta check it out, but basically this is the brightest he's have. There's a bunch of videos online on his channel, and I am super excited to put this on. Put this back in the box. Okay, and then we have our sea light. So this sea light, he goes in depth on his YouTube channel on how to basically adapt it to your lights. This is a one strip, but you're supposed to have measured your headlight, and then you basically cut at the locations that are marked, and then you basically just either lose 1 pixel or not. I have to go back and rewatch one of his videos, but he explains exactly how it's done. And then we're gonna be using these little connectors that will connect from pixel to pixel when we cross or when we make the shape of the sea light. So this is very good stuff. I saw his video, the comparison from this to the previous version, and how much brighter this was and how much better this was. So I'm super excited for that. We have the second, I think it's some sort of like a plug to reconnect things together. And I got a mat. That's awesome. I love that. So I can work with the mat and I don't have to destroy my headlights while I'm working on them. So big shout out to him for being so cool and sending me this. I am super excited to start this build, and I am super excited for you guys to see that anyone can DIY these lights with his help from his YouTube channel, as well with the parts that he sells through his website. So again, if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, because you're gonna miss out if you don't see me how to modify my headlights. And also, obviously, big shout out to Next Level Neo. Just go give him a follow. I'm gonna also post his channel underneath and all his info. And yeah, so he has some really helpful information about how to modify headlights, taillights, and anything related to car lighting. So yeah, so I'm super excited. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.